Hi everyone, my name is Numan and I welcome you to Technimeter. In today's video, I'm going to give you the complete in-depth and detailed specification review of Poco X3. We'll see which exciting features this mobile phone is offering us and is this mobile phone really worth buying or not? Let's find out. Starting from the design, I'm going to give this mobile 8 out of 10 numbers because of its uniqueness. Backside has a dual color pattern and the camera module is also very catchy. You are going to have a polycarbonated plastic material at the back side, and on the front side there is a small punch hole camera at the very center of the display. Moving forward to the display, the phone has 6.7 inches IPS panel with 1080x2400 resolution, supported by 24 bits coloring depth, also 120Hz refresh rate giving you 240Hz touch sampling rate and protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. The overall display covering area is approximately 85% and it gives you 395 pixels per inches. The operating system on this phone is Android operating system 10 with MIUI 12. Now coming to the important feature, that is system on chip, and it is going to be the Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G. The central processing unit is an octa-core processor which uses 2 cores on 2.3 GHz Kirio 470 and 6 cores of 1.8 GHz Kirio 360. It is a 64-bit chipset and the CPU frequency is 2200 MHz. The GPU on this phone is Adreno 618. Talking about the RAM, the phone has 6GB double channel LPDDR4X having a frequency of 1866 MHz. The storage on this phone will be 128GB UFS 2.1, but you can also use a memory card up to 512GB. Now let's talk about the cameras. On the rear, the phone has 64 megapixel quad-com setup with main sensor of Sony IMX686, and the aperture of this lens is focal length 1.89. The maximum video resolution you can have from this camera is 8.29 megapixel and can support maximum up to 30 frames per second. Some of the highlighting features from this 64 megapixel camera are autofocus, continuous shooting, digital zooming, digital image stabilization, geotagging, panorama, HDR, touch focus, face detection, etc. Secondary cam is a 13 megapixel ultra-wide cam having angle view of 119 degrees. Third is a depth cam of 2 megapixel and fourth is a macro cam of 2 megapixel which can support macro shooting distance up to 2 cm. On the front side, the phone has 20 megapixel selfie cam which can also record videos up to 2 megapixel resolution giving you 30 frames per second. Some of the other sensors this phone is using are proximity sensor, accelerometer, gyroscope, light sensor, compass and a side mounted fingerprint. This phone also uses liquid cooling technology. The capacity of the battery on this phone is 5160 mAh and it is made up of lithium polymer material. It also supports fast charging of 33 watts and the connectivity of the USB is USB Type-C. The phone uses stereo speakers for the audio output, also a dual microphone noise cancellation. The overall weight of this phone after including this much heavier specs will be 216 grams. Okay guys, this was the complete specification review of Poco X3. Please do press that thumbs up button on your screen. Also press that subscribe button. So see you in another video. Till then, take care and stay tuned to Technimeter.